800 years after it was destroyed, the Nalanda University has opened today in Bihar. The campus is being built near the ruins of Nalanda from way back in the day, but it's not ready. So 2 schools of the university are beginning classes from a makeshift campus with 15 students and 11 faculty members. The proposal to revive the university was floated in March 2006 by then President Abdul Kalam.
It's a low-key affair, but certainly a serene start to the project for the revival of the Nalanda University here in Bihar's Nalanda district. At the moment, we are at the Rajgir Convention Center, from where this temporary structure, in fact, this temporary campus for the university has started functioning. At the moment, just 2 schools of the university, the School of Ecology and Environment Studies and the School of Historical Studies starting up. Just 15 students at the moment, 7 teachers. That's the kind of infrastructure that's been put into place right now. But certainly an important milestone towards the revival of the centuries-old Nalanda University that existed around these parts many centuries earlier. The idea to revive the university first mooted in 2006, the university set up by an Act of Parliament in 2010, and now the first steps are being taken over here to actually start classes. Over the next few years, we are being told that many more schools will open up, the number of students is expected to increase, and towards this side you will have a huge campus of about 455 acres that will serve as the permanent headquarters for this university. Like I said, at the moment, a low-key start, just about 15 odd students, including the Dean of Research from a very famous Bhutan University and another international student, about 7 faculty members, 2 of them I believe from abroad. So this is the kind of strength that this university has right now. But like I said, the most significant part perhaps is the fact that such a traditional university, such a historical university is now being revived, something that both the Bihar government and the center and many countries, including Japan, have taken interest in. The first steps now being taken here at Rajgir in Bihar. Like I said, the future holds better news for this university. At the moment, in a basic kind of way, the university is starting up with 15 students and 7 faculty members right over here at the Rajgir Convention Center in Bihar. With camera person Habib Ali, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.